At ENZ, we're not just building homes. We're crafting intentional communities inspired by the world's blue zones, where people live longer, healthier, and more connected lives. Our flagship development, the Ya Santiwa Community, YAC, at Adubensubia, represents our vision for sustainable, vibrant living in Ghana. Like nature's most brilliant architects, honeybees create spaces that maximize both efficiency and community. Our hives draw inspiration from this perfect balance of form and function, while incorporating wisdom from the world's blue zones. Just as bees create vibrant, productive communities where every member has a purpose, resources are shared efficiently, and design serves function, our hives foster intentional community design, natural social connections, and sustainable living practices. While home buying can be a hassle, your path to home ownership with ENZ is a breeze. We offer 3 distinguished home designs to suit different lifestyles and preferences: the Essential Collection, the Premium Collection, and the Luxury Collection. We maintain transparent communication throughout your building journey in various ways, including photo and video progress reports via WhatsApp and comprehensive documentation through Google Drive. Coupling ancient wisdom with modern design, at YAC, we are striving to create a community where everyone can thrive. Ready to build your own dream home? Contact us today.